in the box. A fox hid in a box. The box had a rug and tag. The fox sat on a rug. The man got the box. The fox ran out fast. The red cup. A kid had a red cup. The cup was on his bed. A pup got the cup and ran. The kid ran to get the cup. The pup had fun with the cup. The cat and the rat. The cat sat on a mat. A rat ran to the cat. The cat had a red cup. The rat hid the cup in a bag. The cat and the rat had fun. The wet tub. The pup ran to the tub. The pup got wet and sad. A kid got a rug to dry the pup. The pup had a red top. Now the pup is dry and glad. The big van. A man had a big van. He put a map in the van. The van had a red rug and a kit. The man got in and shut the van. He had a nap in the sun.